चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Let's move on to big breaking news that's coming in from Delhi, where the Enforcement Directorate has moved the court challenging the bail of Arvind Kejriwal in excise policy case. The Enforcement Directorate has moved the Delhi High Court against bail that has been granted to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the liquor policy case, and the court has allowed urgent listing of the matter. The case will be heard too. So let me just go across to my colleague Aditya, who's joining us live from New Delhi. He's outside the Tihar jail. Aditya, very good morning to you. Now, the Enforcement Directorate has moved the Delhi High Court over the bail grant to Arvind Kejriwal. How does this really pan out for the Chief Minister, especially after the bail relief came to him after being in jail despite his illness?
Well, Kriti, this could be challenging for Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, as the High Court has agreed for an urgent hearing in this bail hearing case of Arvind Kejriwal. Let's remember that this bail hearing has it is very crucial that what happens further in this case, because the ED has been saying that they didn't get enough time to respond to the bail hearing case of the Kejriwal. And let's not forget that for Kejriwal, senior lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi is appearing through video conferencing, and he is arguing that there is no requirement for an urgent hearing in this case, while the ED has claimed that they didn't get time to file for the to respond to the bail that has been given to Arvind Kejriwal. But the High Court has agreed for an urgent bail hearing, so it needs to be seen as to where this case is headed and what happens further in this case. Will Arvind Kejriwal come out of the jail today, or will the ED be managed to get a stay on the bail hearing of CM Arvind Kejriwal? Back to you in the studios, Kriti.
Well, absolutely interesting developments there taking place over the bail of Arvind Kejriwal. Viewers, we will be bringing you all the developments in connection to the bail hearing of Arvind Kejriwal in connection to the excise policy case. Meanwhile, for now, it's time for a very quick break on the bulletin. In other big stories that we are tracking for you is the NEET scam from Patna, where it has become the epicenter. Republic has accessed confession note of accused student and father. Also tracking the big development in Renuka Swamy murder probe, where cops have recovered rupees 40 lakh pay of money. Stay tuned.